PMD Microdermabrasion machine, and I've had it for a while. It's really changed my skin a lot. I was actually really afraid of doing microdermabrasion, so I've never had it done in a salon. I've only ever done it at home, and I've been completely happy with the results. I find I use it like once a week. I think you're supposed to use it once or twice a week, but I use it pretty much like just once a week. It comes with this whole case of stuff. This is the charging base. This is the cord, obviously. It comes with different heads, which actually I haven't tried these different ones, but then these are all different, the like sandy tools, but they're like the Microderm tools, and you can twist this off and change them out in here. You just pop them out, and you can put the different heads right inside of here. And then you put the top back on, and it is so you plug it in and you charge it with the USB cord, but then you put this away after you've charged it. It lasts a ridiculously long time. Like, I go months before I have to charge it again. So I like that it's cordless. You know, when you're using it, you're not tangling yourself up in the cord. It diminishes the fine lines and wrinkles. It reduces pore sizes. It gets out blackheads, dirt, grime, all of that kind of stuff. And they say that you'll see results in 8 to 12 weeks. I don't remember how soon I saw results, but for me, the biggest thing was I saw an even skin tone. I started noticing that a lot of the dark spots that were on my skin were evening out, and that just my skin just looked clearer, so much clearer. And obviously no more blackheads. I always struggled with blackheads, and I don't know why, because I wash my face constantly, but I feel like I'm always getting them, and this tool literally gets everything out. So it has different power modes, and you literally, it suctions as it goes, and you'll feel it. It's not painful or anything. It's never damaged my skin in any way, and I have super sensitive skin. So like I said, I use it once a week. When I remember, some weeks I go longer, but I highly, highly recommend it, especially like with me, my skin, I'm 41, my skin's aging. I want to try to do everything I can to keep my skin looking as young as possible without having to do injections and fillers and all of that kind of stuff. Not that I'm anti it, but I want to try to just preserve what I have while I can.